Hello guys, today we are playing Gobi Builder and that's my hobby. Okay, I've played some of this game and this tower have very many hard jumps. What is this? How many likes does it? 4,000! What? Wait, leaderboard. 4,105. Here is it. What the hell? I don't know this leaderboard. But anyways, what the hell? Anyways, let's play my hobby. And over here there, play. There are all the victors. Nobody has beaten it yet. Creator, that's my username. And as you can see here, even the tower, the name of the tower is Hell. As you can see, the tower is very hard, and if you somehow do this jump, then you have to do this, and if you do this, you have to do that, and my record is until here, cause the jump, bro, the jump is very hard. And I'm going to show you, that's the jump, and the last jump before the green area is this, which is a 12 stud jump, and after you do the jump you go over here and you have the green trophy and you can sit. But if you don't want to sit, you can keep going. What? Anyways, if you somehow beat the whole thing over here, bro. Okay, if you somehow beat the whole thing, you gotta come over here, and after that here. But we have to make this thing even harder. The first jump, which is this one, is okay, but we have to buff this one. And I know what I will do. I will copy this. $4 only. Very cheap. So you have to get through this gap. And this jump is very hard. Like, the gap is very tight, but after that it's free. so I'm going to make it hard. Let me copy this, get it over here. Where is green? This thing, green is over here, and let's move it over here. Let's copy this, move it up, come over here. Get through that gap and let's move this over here. Okay, I now like the buffs. Let's see it. Yeah, it is harder except from the first jump. I have to do this jump. 100% I have to do it. But if I play like that, I'm going to lose and have to get back there. Okay, after you do it, you go over here. And then what should I place? I should place a truss. I'm putting it over here for now, so I can move it. Okay, now let's pick the color. I'm going to make it a bit lighter. Over here, bro! Here. Okay, and now I'm going to move it. Like that. And like that. Okay, is this jump possible? Yeah, very easy. This one? No. I have an idea. Make this wall smaller. Okay. I make this go closer a bit. Like this, so it's still impossible. Come over here. Get the wall and place it here. Okay, make the color of the wall here, like that. And make it like this. So now if you want to do this jump, you have to go over here and jump. Okay, I'm going to get the trash a bit closer. Okay, take this, put it over here. Hold on to it. Okay, this jump is here. Now this jump is much harder. If I try to do it like that, I think it is possible, but very hard. But if I try to do it, what? I lost the timing. It's possible though, it's possible. After you get on these jumps, you will be perfectly like over that thing. Do you touch it? Wait, play. Oh, you don't. Okay, over here, and let's play now. If you want to get further, you have to hold on the trash. Okay, I will do it like that. But the colors are very bright. Not like that, it looks like white. Okay. Okay, so you can die. Good to know. I'm doing a very jump, so I will do so I can see that everything is possible. Now this is possible, I think. Bro. Okay, and if you want to go further, you gotta hold on the trust to get further. I'm going to copy these two things. Copy them. Now let me take them over here. And here we go. Now I want to make it harder. So I'm going to this lava. Copy and paste it. Take it over here. Oops. Over here and make it a start faster down. By the way, you have to do the things in play with the play button, because without it you don't take any damage, as you can see over here. You can do it. But you need the perfect position, and I know something that will help you. Take this whole building, copy, $700 only. I have a lot. Okay, over here, play, and let's do it. Okay, it's possible. Let's make it farther down. Oh my god. Okay, so we go over here. Okay. If I go like first, I will go over here, and second, you can do it. Okay. Let's make it harder. Copy this and take it downward. And last thing, if I do it this attempt, the video is done. If I do it this attempt. Wait, I want to test if it is possible though. Is it possible? Probably it is. Bro, I can't. Okay, it is not possible, but I'm going to stick with this. No. Okay. That was all the video. Next part we are going to end the whole green section, and bye.